Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Start by understanding the official rewards program in Microsoft Flight Simulator. The game has a built-in achievement system that gives you free cosmetics and credits when you complete specific challenges. These aren't hidden secrets, they're part of the game design, and you can claim them without spending a single dollar. Step 2. Link your account properly to the platform. Make sure your Microsoft account is connected to your Xbox Game Pass and Flight Simulator. This connection is essential because the rewards sync across platforms, and you might miss out if you're not properly linked. Check your settings and verify everything is up to date. Step 3. Complete daily and weekly challenges consistently. The game rotates challenges every week that reward you with in-game currency and exclusive items. Spend about 15 to 20 minutes per session working through these challenges. They're designed to be achievable for all skill levels, so don't worry if you're new. Step 4. Utilize the seasonal events and special promotions that launch throughout the year. Microsoft regularly drops limited-time events with free rewards attached. These happen especially during holidays and major Flight Simulator anniversaries. Keep checking the in-game news feed so you don't miss these opportunities. Step 5. Join the official Flight Simulator community and stay informed about free reward announcements. The developers frequently reward loyal players with surprise drops and exclusive items. Follow the official Twitter, Discord, and forums where they announce free giveaways before they happen anywhere else.